Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can change your real name to something else on your Xbox profile so that it doesn't show up when you're using your Xbox. So to do this, on the main homepage here of your Xbox, go into the upper left-hand corner and click on your little profile image. And then when you're on this menu, click the B button, and that's going to take you back to the Profile and Systems tab. What we want to do is go down and click where it says Settings. And in the settings area, go over and down to where it says account, and then you're going to go down and click where it says privacy and online safety. And then in this area, we're going to click on where it says Xbox Live privacy. And we're going to select a custom privacy and then click view details and customize. And then in this area, go down and click where it says profile. And then in this area, go over to where it says how you look. Your name is from your Microsoft account and is used to identify you across a broad range of Microsoft products. This is where your real name is going to show up for me. I just have my initials. You can go ahead and click where it says edit name. And then type in whatever you want for your first name. You can just use your first initial if you want. And then click the enter option. And then again for your last name, enter whatever you'd like, and then click enter again. And then it might take a little bit of time for it to actually update on your Xbox. So after you make these changes, when you go back to the home page, you might still see your real name for a while, but eventually it should change over to what you've set it in this particular area. Also, if you go over to the next box, it says real name, decide who can see your real name. If you open up this menu, you can have your real name seen by everybody, friends I choose, or you can block this option. So you have two different things. You can either just change how your real name looks, or you can block people from seeing it in this area as well. So I hope this was helpful, showing you how to change your real name on your Microsoft profile so that it doesn't show up when you're in your Xbox or in your Xbox account. And to show you when I go back to my profile area in the Xbox menu, it just shows my initials. It doesn't show my whole name. So that's how you go about making that particular switch. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.